there in the number 9 truck starts in the 18th spot.
Row 10 starting 19th is Tanner Gray. He'll be flanked by Chris Bright in the 20th starting spot.
Let's take a look at row number 11. Tyler Andrews, racer out of California, starts in position number 21, and Connor Jones in the 42 truck starts in the 22nd spot.
Row 12 is 45 Boston St.